Yeah. When is the next consignment coming in from the United States? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Now, I have some contacts at the port. It's not a problem. No, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Okay. Okay, bye.
Okay, good morning.
Yes, Kasali, what is it?
Hey, get one madam, they forget. They look for me.
Madam at the gate.
Hey.
What's her name?
Hey, well, like that time that madam didn't come, then look at her face. Your face, they smile. You can't ask me, madam, what is her name? Context say your name is Abigail.
Abigail?
Hey.
Kasali, Abigail, that's my sister. How many times have I told you not to keep my sister at the gate when she comes?
Okay, make no best. You might then forget saying na my sister. Make it then rush, then go open the gate.
Kasali, go and bring my sister.
No problem.
Why are your workers always keeping me outside?
Sister, I apologize on their behalf. Please. It won't happen again. It's because they are new and they don't know you yet. But I've warned them. It should not happen again.
I was beginning to think maybe because I didn't come with my car. Or you are looking at me like someone who doesn't have money.
Sister, don't take it like that. Eh?
How are you?
I am good. So, sister, what do you want to eat? I can ask the chef to prepare something for you.
I don't have appetite for that. I have a pressing need.
What's the problem?
I need 500,000 to sort something.
Sister, so because of ordinary 500,000, you won't eat? All right, I'll make a transfer to your account before you leave. Are you okay?
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Awaji owo gbe. Awaji owo gbe. Awaji owo gbe. Awaji owo gbe. Awaji owo gbe.
Brandy, what's that?
Daddy, I'm bored.
You're bored?
So you didn't see me? Daddy, I'm bored. You didn't see me?
Good day.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're bored?
Yes, Dad. I feel like going to the movies.
Brandy? Just say that I want to go to the movies. All right. I'll ask Kasali to drive you down.
Really? Daddy, thank you so much. You're the best.
You're my princess. Right, you go get ready.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
You're spoiling this student. You're spoiling her.
I'm just trying to make sure they're happy.
Hello?
I want to talk to my children.
Imagine. No courtesy. You can't even greet. I want to talk to my children.
I have no business with you, woman. Hand the phone to my children.
You have no business with me. Then my children are not ready to speak to a deadbeat father.
Don't call me that, woman. I requested you send me the new address so I could come see my children. You refused. Now you won't let me talk to them over the phone.
You want to talk to children you have never sent money for. Talk less of caring how they survive. Now you want to talk to them.
I'm doing what I can.
Well, what you can is not good enough. They are lacking a lot of things. All you care about is your mistress.
Don't bring my woman into this. I won't watch you deny me access to my children. I will do all I...
Rubbish. Sense. Imagine. children don't have father to take them to the cinemas. They can't even enjoy the beautiful things of life. I will give the last drop of my blood to make sure they live a luxury life. I will do that.
Mom. What? I told you before, I don't like the way you talk to my father.
My friend, get out of my side. Come on, get out. Get out from there before I smack this one on you. Rubbish. Do you have a father?
Auntie, I really don't understand what you're proposing.
You'll be staying alone since your wife passed away. You need a woman in your life. You need someone that can take care of you and the children.
And this person that can take care of me and the children must be my late wife's younger sister? Doesn't it sound ridiculous?
Nothing is wrong with that. We just want to help you and the family. All we need is somebody with trust, somebody that can be able to take care of you and the children.
By in-law, the children are well taken care of. I've always been taking care of them. And I have aides in the house who help to ensure that they are well taken care of. Right? You know that Brown is schooling in the United Kingdom? He will soon be back. And we will all be here together, well taken care of.
Okay, all I need for you to give it a thought. It will really help you.
If you insist, my dear in-law, I'll think about it and I'll get back to you.
Fine. I have to take my leave.
Okay.
Okay, yourself.
Yeah.
So, are they proposing you marry her sister?
Sister, I was just as shocked as you are now.
All they care about is money, money, money.
You're right, sister.
They know nothing will come to their end if you get married to someone else. So they want to retain the wealth within the family.
Exactly.
So what did you tell them?
Well, I told them that I'll think about it and get back to them, just so they could stop pestering me.
Just tell them you will never do that. Tell them you will never do that. That's it.
So like I was saying, arts is quite good. But if you were to read law, I mean, I don't know. Kasali, somebody is honey. Who's okay? Your brother was supposed to come in today, and the driver went to pick him.
It's true.
But I don't know.
Could that be my brother?
Hey, wait. Who is he carrying? Brother, that's your brother.
What's up, my people? I can't believe I'm back home, man. What's up? How you doing? It's been a while, man. I can't believe how much this whole place has changed.
Yeah, you've been away for some time, no?
Wow. Brandy! Look at my sister. You've grown so big. Come. Turn around. Wait. You're going taller than me. How are you doing? I know you've missed me so much.
How is it? I can't believe it's the long I saw you.
I know you've missed me.
Son!
Good day, Father.
Get up here! How was your trip?
My trip was wonderful.
Great! Everywhere has changed, you can see?
Everywhere has changed. I can't believe how long I've been away.
You've been away for too long.
I've been away for too
Come
long.
on.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
Brown, do you know you're funny? Do you know you're actually funny?
I know.
So tell me about your stay.
I'm a clown.
Tell me about your stay over there.
Well,
It was good. My stay was nice. You know, I actually thought that all these things we do here in Africa, just here, like the whole way of celebrating and everything. But over there, they also have things that guide them, like, you know, ethics, rules, religion, and I don't know, just like that.
Wait. I heard about the festival. Did you attend it?
Sure, I did.
So just me, how was it?
Well, there's nothing much to say. Just a normal festival. Everything was just okay. The food, oh my god, the food was.
Oh my god. So, how many of these cities did you visit?
Well, London, of course. Amsterdam, Berlin, Madrid, and Stockholm.
Wow. God, I can't wait to travel out. Oh god, I just can't wait. I'm tired of this place. I'm tired.
I'm sure you've got an invitation later. I'm not messing around. I want my children back.
It's not possible. You can't have custody of the children. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay then. Maybe I should report the issue to the appropriate quarters.
Oh, fine. That's a wonderful idea. Thankful the children are fully grown. Nobody can manipulate them. They will rather choose who they want to be with.
Let's see how that plays out, Abigail. I gave you more than enough chances. Now is the time to act firm.
You know what? Do your worst. Oh yes. You can't even do anything. Just go and take care of your mistress. You can't do anything. You can't do more than a dead rat.
Soon, really soon, Abigail, you will hear from me.
I don't know.
Well, you won't fall. Down, step down. All right, wait. Just stand here. Stand here.
Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh wow.
Hey, mommy.
Yes.
Hey. Thank you. Hey. You are marvelous, yeah. You are marvelous, yeah. You are marvelous, yeah. You are marvelous, yeah.
Smells you.
Hey.
It's not Nita. It smells you.
For me. For me.
Sis,
Yes, dear.
you're the only one I have. So I have to make sure you're happy.
Thank you.
Auntie, you know what? Hop into the car. Let me drive you out.
Who's this one?
Which one? I'm going
Who do you want to
drive the car
kill?
by myself.
You people are here discussing me. I'm already inside. Auntie,
I'm driving the car.
I'm waiting for you inside. Bye bye.
Are you leaving me?
Very funny, I swear.
Funny.
You went out of this.
This guy's a lot kid. Do you enjoy his comedies?
Yeah, I do. But I actually prefer foreign comedy.
Foreign comedy.
They're a lot more funny than this.
Well, I think you should adjust, you know. come down and join us and enjoy what we have down here, okay?
Okay, that's true. Yeah, Dad, I wanted to ask you, it's been a while, I haven't seen Awaji. I hope there's no problem.
Oh, Awaji, yeah. He will be here one of these days.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Oh my God, this boy is very, very funny.
It's very funny.
Hello, my brother. How are you?
Yeah, good morning, sis. It's been a long time I heard from you, and I haven't seen you in the house for some time. And then Brown has also been yearning to see Awaji.
My dear brother, I was caught up in a case that I got myself involved in.
What case?
Atisi reported me to Child's Welfare Department over child's custody.
Can that man stop already?
I am as shocked as yourself.
Anyway, so how is it going? Is there any way I can help?
Don't bother yourself, my brother. From the look of things, I'm winning the case already. I'll come to your place anytime soon.
Oh, I see. All right then.
Okay. Thank you for checking up on me. Bye.
This man is a complete lunatic. How can you abandon your family for several years and then you just come out of the blues and start claiming custody?
Atisi is a selfish person. That's why I'm not surprised. All this human rights stuff there, it has been so stressful because I know he has no case from the onset.
That's why I think you should be free from this Atisi man's stress. Your kids are all grown up. You need to focus on yourself. Start a lucrative business instead of depending on this stipend that barely comes.
That's exactly what I have in mind, to start up my own business. But you know it's going to cost me a lot of money.
Then make it come to pass. Make it come to pass. Your peace of mind is paramount.
Oil distribution, that's what I have at the back of my mind, and it involves a lot of money.
How much does it cost to make this your oil distribution come to pass?
If you ask me, I'd say 5 million.
5 million? Well, if you want to make it come to pass immediately, I make a check of 5 million for you before you leave.
Are you for real?
I don't joke.
Let's cheers to that, please.
Honestly, I mean,
thank
you.
Crazy. Thank you. She's so full of herself.
Really? I was in her shop the other day.
Okay.
She was so boasting, talking about some other things, not minding what we were there to discuss.
She thinks she's better than anyone else, but she's making a mistake. You remember the jewelry she was boasting about the other day?
Who wouldn't remember that Dubai jewelry that she was boasting about?
Guess what?
What?
I saw a better version of that jewelry. And her own, I noticed her own was fake.
Don't say.
I'm telling you.
I can't believe this. I know it's really expensive. It is quite expensive.
It's 250,000 naira.
It is still expensive. It is still very costly.
I bought it because of her. I want her to know that hers is fake. I have gotten the original one.
You can go to any extent to do things.
Trust me. And she's going to see that I'm having the original one. What she's having is fake jewelry.
I'm telling you.
You want to try? Didn't you see this one? Look at this one.
I want to believe you have given our proposition some thoughts. And I'm sure you might have realized that they are good when I told you.
Yes. I gave it some thoughts and I realized it's quite good. But it is so good I don't want to be interested. I don't want to be part of it. I don't see myself getting married to my wife's younger sister.
So you mean?
I mean I'm not interested. I don't want to be part of it and I don't want to talk about it anymore. Enjoy your drink.
Mom? Mom? Mom, good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mom. Mom, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Mom, are you going to Uncle Igoni's place? I would love to join you.
I am not going there. I'm going to a friend's party.
Those friends of yours that make you spend a lot. Mom, you've been spending a lot these days. We need money in this house to buy things.
Really?
Yes, Mom.
Mom, see, you've been spending too much of late. We need money for other things in the house. So you are to tell me how to spend my money. Look at this small rat. So you are now to tell me how to spend my money. My friend, get inside and go and clear the house. I will land that mouth of yours. Imagine. You will tell me how to spend my money. Nonsense.
In the past few months, the figures have not been looking good. We were hoping for a surge in revenue, but it seems business has plummeted even further.
Well, we've tried to cut costs by slashing salaries and placing people on commission-based income. What seems to be the problem?
Our challenge is coming from the port. The new officers the government put in charge of the place are too strict with their protocols, hence the slow pace of business.
Oh, I've been thinking of this too. This same thing also, Andrew. I've tried to use some of my contacts over there to ensure a free flow for our business, but it seems not to be working.
I really wish we could find a way around this, because the longer those guys stay at the port, the more detrimental it is to our company.
I know, Andrew, but what do you want me to do? I can't get them out of office. I'm not the government.
In the past few days, they have impounded over 1,000 shipments.
That's ridiculous. Anyway, we'll just have to keep pushing no matter the odds. The important thing is to stay in business. We have to stay in business.
Alright, we'll talk later. Okay, I have to go now. Bye. Hey, father.
Hello, son.
You look good today. How you doing? You're going international. Father, you know you're the best father in the whole wide world, right?
I'm trying to bribe.
No, you know I can't bribe you. Why would I bribe you? So, father, you know, ever since I moved to Europe, I used to think that Europe was one of the best places in this world that could ever be. But lately, I've been doing my research, and I found out that here in Africa, we have so many beautiful places. Father, you'll be shocked at the kind of places you find here in Africa. I'm telling you. So, Brandy and I, we came up with this idea of the possibilities of exploring Africa.
Really?
Yes, Father, we did. We just needed to be out there to help us to learn more about Africa, our roots, and where we're coming from. But the thing is, we need some money for this.
Oh, quite unfortunate. This your Explore Africa project will have to wait because that doesn't have enough money for that. At the present. Sorry, son. But which countries would you want to appreciate? Would you want to explore? Daddy had money.
Well, they have countries like Ethiopia, Ghana. Ghana is a very beautiful place. This place in Accra, I went to the other time with my friend. Beautiful. Their food are so amazing, Father. We have other countries like Congo, places like that.
Anyway.
Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's this? Why is your voice like that?
The landlord was here.
Landlord?
Yes, no. so furious when she came here.
Sister, this one you're here so early. I hope there's no problem.
All is not well. All is not well.
What's the problem? Huh? What happened?
Is it not my landlord? He's threatening to throw us out of the house if we don't pay our rent in the next 2 weeks.
But sister, I'm even surprised you're owing house rent.
Honestly, I'm really disturbed.
Alright, so what are your plans now?
I'm believing you're going to help us out with it.
Wow. I mean... Oh, no, sister. Look, I gave you 500,000 a month ago. Oh, alright, okay, leave that one. What of the 5 million I gave you a week ago?
I have numerous financial commitments.
You couldn't have blown 5 million in 1 week. Okay, what of the business? The business we discussed.
I'm still trying to sort something out.
The matter is settled. Over. Just take a little money from that business money, the 5 million, and sort out your rent. Your rent is paramount. Sort it out. Then I'll do something about the business money sometime later.
The money is not here now. It's not available.
What? Sister, in that case, I don't have any more dime to put down. Sister, I mean, it appears you've been reckless with your spending. 5 million in 1 week. Sister, I don't have any more money to... In fact, let me tell you the truth. I'm having challenges in my business. So I don't have any money to spend now.
You don't have any money to spend now. You're having challenges. Yes. So they should throw me out. They should throw me out to the street.
Sister, I don't have any more money to spend.
It is still expensive. It is still very costly.
I bought it because of her. I want her to know that hers is fake. I have gotten the original one.
You've been spending too much on it. We need money in this house for other things.
So you are now to tell me how to spend my money? My friend, get inside and go and clear the house. They should throw me out to the street.
Sister, I don't have any more money to spend.
I've been looking for you upstairs in your room.
Yeah, I just decided to take some fresh air.
Fresh air? I'm tired of the air condition in your room.
Very tired.
Anyway, the African fresh air is good.
Yeah, it is.
It's
I
good.
noticed that it has this different feeling. It's different than, it's different from the other. You know what I mean, Dad?
Yes. Or those from
Father!
let him out. You have the guts to come and sit down here to watch TV. I'm seated, you came to sit as well. Let's sit together and watch, right? My friend, get out from here. Get out! Come on, get out from here! That's what that your stupid father taught you people. No respect! No, come and sit down with me and rub shoulder with me. Nonsense. I will not do my makeup in peace. I don't understand. Are you saying I cannot have legal access to his properties? How could he have willed everything to Brown and Brandy? How? Is that man stupid? Anyway, Brown is out of the That means I have to. Yes, that's what I have to do. Oh, don't worry yourself about her. She stays with me. So it's as simple as A, B, C. And at the snap of my finger, she's gone. Oh, leave that to me.
Little girl.
Good day, sir.
Good day. What are you doing here all alone? Huh? Where do you stay?
I have no home.
You don't have a home? Huh? It's not safe here. Huh? This place is dangerous. If you don't mind, do you care to come with me? Huh? See, look at me, look at me, look at me. I'm old enough to be your father. Huh? Come with me. I won't allow my daughter here around this time. It's a dangerous zone. Just trust me. Believe me. I'll take good care of you. Come with me. Come with me. Please, you'll be safe. I promise you, you'll be safe. Come. Let's go, let's go. Come with me. Don't fear. Don't be afraid. Come, let's go. I can just imagine what you're doing here alone. Huh? My daughter, you were telling me something.
So, after treating me so badly, while I lived with her, I had to take to my heels.
Okay.
When I found out that she killed my father, and I was her next target.
How wicked humans can be. Can you imagine? Sorry you went through all this. Sorry. But don't you think we should pursue justice and make her pay for all that she did to you?
She has so much money and connections now. Yes. It will be very difficult to make her look with our economic situation.
I think you are right. But anyway, don't worry, my daughter. You have a home now. I don't have a wife. I don't have a child. You can stay with me. You see, it's safer to stay with me than to stay in the streets. How do you see it?
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, thank you.
You are now my daughter.
Some people go talk, no listen there. Some people go act, no look at them. Now only you there for my mind. Now only you there for my mind. So I don't care. I go love you every day. As long as I say life today. Even though they get it, I go love you. I don't care. I go love you every day.
Shine your eye this morning, Lord.
Say life today. Even though they get it, I go love you every day. Some people go talk, no listen there. Some people go act, no look at them. Now only you there for my mind. Now only you there for my mind. Yeah. Some people go talk, no listen there. Some people go act, no look at them. Now only you there for my mind. Now only you there for my mind. So I don't care. I go love you every day. As long as I say life today. Even though they get it, I go love you. I don't care. I go love you every day. As long as I say life today. Even though they get it, I go love you. Yeah. It's like I never tell you small something. Baby girl, please come and listen. Them people them bad for the world. In a few seconds, them go play with your instinct. So buckle up, come along. Then be no day when we fall in love. Then be no day with us. Then be no day when we know people. So buckle up, come along. Then be no day when we fall in love. Then be no day with us. Then be no day when we know people. Some people go talk, no listen them. Some people go act, no look at them. Now only you there for my mind. Now only you there for my mind. Yeah. Some people go talk, no listen them. Yeah. 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 I hustle for day. I hustle for night. Some money go day. Some money go day. We hustle for day. We hustle for night. Some money go day. Some money go day. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. Money don't drop. How they be? Where will they go? How you go be? Fast or slow? What's the range? Put them on call. Men they change. Hands on deck. Books and pen. Time you know. It's not a friend. How they play. Pound for pound. Like play. Hands don't sound. Black on black. Killing a gang. No be today. Now blood and sand. Back and big. Big and pack. Now blood with this. No vex, I'm back. I hustle for day. I hustle for night. Some money go day. Some money go day. We hustle for day. We hustle for night. Some money go day. Some money go day. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. 30 and plus. Oh my God. Made a few rubs. Oh my Lord. $35. Not enough. All men on board. Who walk off? Make I the cross. Not be by force. Girls they lost. Men they must. Cats and ducks. Dogs and nuts. Hustle my boss. Doubt na must. Black on black. Killing a gang. No be today. Now blood and sand. Pack and big. Big and pack. Now blood be this. No verse and back. I hustle for day. I hustle for night. Some money go day. Some money go day. We hustle for day. We hustle for night. Some money go day. Some money go day. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes. When they say who goes, I just say me goes.
How many men do we have in the camp there? Yes. How many is cooking and how many is pushing out? Okay, okay. Oh, that's great. I'm sending 6 tankers for distribution. I hope that's good enough. Okay then. Yeah. Just keep me posted. Yeah, right.
So as it be so, all man got to focus. Now put 4 eyes stay so 2 for front, 2 for back.
Yes, too.
Now what we last now?
Nobody's buying.
Oh boy, I bought my name talk by you can enter you.
Who can be this one now?
No.
That's your face.
We done the man.
So are they here at the car? You they busy they run business. Or to say now you like money pass us.
You focus so. We done the man.
Maybe if I waste time now they will say but still don't do.
When the bus escape, no go good though.
See your tattoo.
Wait. When bandito drill him. Oh wait, you.
Just spin and there first. Now focus. Not say the bottom line of everything we do here now Roger. Now make the Roger they enter our hand. As they enter our hand, they enter our pocket.
When the boss is capping, you better listen.
So anything where anybody go do, we go make our business they tremble, we will avoid them. We don't need them at all, especially if you fight or to 1-2-1-2. No, we don't need that for here, so that the business go soft for us. You don't understand? May I focus so. Now based on this, we will forgive this move. If you try him again,
Toilet for Basti. I don't try him again.
Don't try him again, no. Carry this thing.
Run!
Boss, man, I maintain no. Man, I focus so.
very beautiful abode.
It's a beautiful home. Who lives there?
Daddy, from the very first day you picked me up, you took me in like your biological daughter. You took care of me, you trained me up, and you made me who I am today.
Don't go there again. Don't go there again.
I'm not done. And in my own little way, to show appreciation for all of these things that you have done, I got this place for you. So, congratulations, this is your new house.
Excuse me. I don't understand. I just don't get it. That this is what?
Your new house! Yes. Thank you so much. I mean, men like you are rare. You didn't take advantage of me. You did not make me regret ever staying in your house for one day. So, Daddy, I mean, the house is not the only thing I'm going to be giving to you today. I have another surprise package. This is a phone for you.
for me. Samsung Galaxy.
The latest Samsung in the market right now, Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Samsung Z Flip.
Thank you very much. I just thank you. Huh? But that's 3310.
Come on, Dad, that's outdated. Hello. We are in 2021. And you're worth more than this, actually.
I know, but this must be expensive, like 200 or 150.
Daddy, this is just 800,000.
Jesus! Why am I supposed to go and spend so much to buy me phone? 800? Huh? It's too expensive.
Calm down. Calm down. And the last for today. Okay? Close your eyes. Ta-da! This is
My card key? No, leave it.
This is for you.
Oh, take.
No. It's for you, Dad. Look, your kind is rare in Nigeria, in Africa, all over the world. You never took advantage of me as a child. Nowhere. I love you more, Dad.
Yeah. Kilo gang. Yeah. And so. Yeah. Waiting the sub, waiting the pop. Waiting the talk, what is involved? You be the boss, where be the spot? Hope you they come, look on the door me. Are they for the top, are they the lobby? Waiting you like, what is your hobby? Waiting the time, I don't they worry. Look on they put me for cruise, they tell me sorry. I could take you around the world in a minute. Give you all you want in a minute. Waiting be your spoils and your limit. I'm a Port man, you they feel me. I could take you around the world in a minute. Give you all you want in a minute. Waiting be your spoils and your limit. I'm a Port man, you they feel me. But I don't wanna fall in love. I've been riding in my city. I've been grinding in my city. I got a new day, but I don't wanna fall in love. I've been riding in my city. I've been riding in my
Yeah, give me my bag.
So, how did it go?
Oh, fine. Thank you. I've been waiting for long.
No, I was just here for a couple of minutes, Just up to 10 minutes and then you arrived. Thank you. Cheer.
You careful?
You know I don't like smoking.
I've been worried. I've been silly worried. I thought I could rely on my distributor, but he's disappointing me.
Oh, that? No, come on, you shouldn't worry yourself, yeah? For every disappointment, there is a blessing. Look, I know someone, but the problem is, I don't know if you'll be able to pay the price.
To you. What's the way you tell me? I'm ready to pay any amount. What do you mean?
It's okay. I'm just going to try and link you both together. But like I said, she is quite expensive.
Stop that. Just tell me who she is. I'm ready to pay any amount for it. And you know that. Money shouldn't be the problem. Besides, who is she?
Oh. Talk about the devil. Here she comes. As long as it's so she's going to handle it just like Lambert. And trust me, I've been doing business with her. She's the one. Hey, I was just talking about you now.
Oh.
How are you?
Very well.
Please sit. Okay, so meet Abigail. Abigail, this is
Clara.
Clara.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Clara. So this is the lady I've been telling you about. She can help you with your distribution.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
That face. It's something about your face. I can't place it. Tell me more about it.
Okay, so this is the national distributor that we have. Right now, this is the person that can solve all your issues concerning distribution. You can trust me on that.
You sure?
Yes, I have dealt with her and I have confirmed her.
Nice to meet you again, ma'am.
Get her a glass. Get Clara a glass.
Oh, would you want a glass?
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before.
I was meaning to tell you about my last job. Guess what? After giving the guy what he wanted, I'm talking about the business here. The next split of seconds, I got my alert and I was like, yeah! I was super excited. I was so excited. So much money. So tell me, how was the last job you talked about? Hello? What's up?
You know, this life is really funny. I mean, people have to be careful what they do today because they don't know how it's going to affect them tomorrow.
Very correct.
I can't believe that you and I are seated here talking as friends. Life is indeed a mystery. Do you remember the story you told me about your father? How he was killed?
Yeah. About that? I mean, it's been a very long time, so I have learned to move on. Yes.
I killed him.
Listen, Busti. I know we're very good friends, yeah? And we joke about certain things. But come on now. I mean, this is an expensive joke. Nah.
I know. You know, I didn't plan to. It wasn't my intention to kill him. You know, I wouldn't want to hurt you for any reason. But I was just doing my job. I was paid to kill him. And I didn't for any reason think anything was gonna bring you and I together. Look, I'm sorry, yeah. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. It wasn't intentional. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No.
I didn't mean to. I didn't.
Oh, come on. It wouldn't have been you.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You have to forgive me. I'm very, very sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, come on.
If I could turn back the hands of time, I'll bring him back, but I can't. I'm sorry.
What are you doing here?
Hey, your madam just left to the supermarket now, so I thought we could just have a little nice time before she gets back.
Nice time? Were you not the one saying all manner of things to her, kissing her everywhere in the house?
Look, you don't have to be like this.
Please, leave me alone.
Kiro, what is wrong with you? You talk like you don't understand why I do these things. I have to do these things for her to be happy. She's not my type. She's way too old. She can't even fulfill my fantasies, you know that?
Really?
Yes.
Yet you're kissing and running after her.
You won't understand why I do these things. Well, if you don't want me, I'll just simply go.
Of course I want you.
Oh, yes.
Yes, son. So how is everybody? Okay. I'll send money across to you. Let me call you back, please. Yeah. What's going on here? Why did you bring her to my house? Why?
I think I should let her speak for herself.
I am not interested to hear whatever she wants to say. We are only business partners. I have no personal relationship with you. You have no right to bring her here.
First off, I am not your business partner. I am the girl you tossed into dark wilderness with gloom and misery. You took away every single thing that meant everything to me and replaced it with hopelessness.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about our everything through hatred and jealousy. You deserve to be lounging with the devil and his angels. Loyalty never meant anything to you. Family ties, they don't mean nothing to you. Life, of course not. I am very sure my only brother and father will be excited because you, Abigail, will be joining them today.
Randy.
Yeah, that's Randy. The one you asked me to kill her father.
Set me up.
Oh, why would I do a thing like that? I think it's just your sin that is catching up with you.
Bastard.
I know.
Please, let's settle this.
Absolutely. Yes. The same way I would have pleaded with you not to murder my only brother and father. But no, Almighty Abigail. Oh, I cannot wait to feed your disgusting, smelling and useless soul to the birds of the air.
He who kills by the sword will die by the sword.
You?
Yes, me.
Idiot.
Okay then, so can we go home now?
Not so soon.
Day of reckoning, brother. Almighty Busty. You